Sometimes during property development, a builder may accidentally encroach on a neighboring parcel by a few inches or feet due to a surveying error. When the encroachment is minor, such as installing a fence on another's land, a landowner may ask a court for an injunction directing the removal of the structure from the land. But what if the encroachment is significant, such as constructing an entire house on another's lot? The Michigan Supreme Court considered this question in the case of Hardy versus Burroughs. Around 1930, Walter Hardy and his business partner constructed a house on a lot in Flint, Michigan. However, at the time the lot was owned by Jonathan Eddington Burroughs. Burroughs' tenants then moved into the house, and although the house improved the lot's value, Burroughs refused to pay for it. Hardy and his partner then sued Burroughs in state circuit court based in equity to recover for the value of the improvements that were made to the lot. In the suit, Hardy and his co-partner didn't allege that Burroughs engaged in fraud or that Burroughs acquiesced to the improvement by intentionally standing by and letting Hardy and his partner invest money into improving the land. Following discovery, Burroughs moved to dismiss the complaint for failure to state a claim, which the court denied. Burroughs then appealed to the Michigan Supreme Court.